Hey Ryan,
Yes, sir.
can you go? I think this will be real beneficial for Keisha as well, and I think it's Edwin that's connected. The using the MACD and the RSI, just kind of maybe go over some examples of when to enter and exit using those as signals.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. So we'll do,
Because once I learned that, I was a game changer for me.
yeah, absolutely. And that was something Heath brought up too. He did a really good explanation of that today in the chat. So basically, with the MACD and stochastic, those are, so the RSI is a money flow indicator. It tells you if money is flowing into the stock, and it basically correlates with price action, as you can see here. At the 80 range, it's considered overbought. So once you see price kind of getting over here, you can kind of see that it's overextended, prices run up. And as you see right here, we were kind of getting the indication yesterday that it's kind of overbought. And what happened today? Price went back down. Same thing with the stochastic. When it's at the bottom, that can kind of indicate to you that it might be a good time to buy. See, we got a little dip up here, and then it was at the bottom of the stochastic there. So it can kind of indicate to you that it's a good time to buy. And at the top, it'll indicate to you that it's a good time to sell. So you can back up your chart and look what price action did every time that it was at the top of the stochastic, every time it was at the bottom, like here. And the same with the RSI.